Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone any website in just 1 minute. So here we go. Open the Google and just type your save web to zip. Save web to zip. As you can see, saveweb2zip.com. Open this and now you need to paste your website URL. So let's open any website here. I'm going to clone that website here. As you can see, this is a really amazing website. Now I'm going to just copy the URL, go to here and just paste that URL like this. Just check simplified download, copy the mobile version, save website structure, and just click on the save button and just wait some seconds. 33 files and done. Let's open that file, make it unzip and open that folder. And as you can see here, this is our website. Just open this and you can see the index.html. Just open that file. Now, as you can see here, this is the entire website we have downloaded. This method download the all JSS, CSS and all the images. As you can see here, all the things. That's really cool and fantastic. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.